Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to take a quick tour on Spanish Town Road to look at the progress. They're doing construction on Spanish Town Road. They're renovating the road. So we're going to take a quick tour to see how far they've reached. Okay, so Spanish Town Road runs from Mandela Highway all the way to downtown Kingston. It's a very busy road, has a lot of communities off it. You have Riverton, you have Seaview, you have Olympic Gardens, you have Tavares Gardens, you have Tivoli Gardens, you have Denham Town, you have West Kingston areas. Very, very busy area, busy road. It's being renovated. The project is going to be done in two parts. The first part is Water Commission is going to lay new pipes because the communities in this area, or the communities off this road, they are growing very fast, and the pipes that are in place or were in place were not adequate enough to supply the areas with water. So Water Commission has gone ahead and put in bigger pipes, and that should solve the water problem for those areas. So part one of the project was Water Commission laying the new pipes, and then part two of the project will be the paving over the road. This is a 6-lane road and a very busy road, and the project so far, the Water Commission said they laid the pipes and they were doing some tests to make sure the pipes were working okay. They were doing pressure tests to make sure there were no leaks. However, since Water Commission said they were doing the pressure tests, I've noticed that they have dug up the road. So apparently they needed to do some additional work on the pipes. So as soon as Water Commission signs off on their part of the project, then the contractor will come in and pave over the road. The project has been approved, the contractor has been selected, the funds have been appropriated. So it's just a matter of Water Commission signing off that the pipes, that their part is finished. Because so many times you pave over these roads and Water Commission digs up the road and leaves the road. They don't leave the road in the state they found the road, put it that way. Water Commission is famously for saying, or very famous for saying, they don't travel with asphalt. Meaning, okay, on the left, where that motorbike just passed, this is how it looks when Water Commission digs up a road and leaves it. That's how it looks. So basically they're saying they don't travel with asphalt, so they cannot asphalt back the road. Nonetheless, this project, Spanish Town Road, was coordinated, and Water Commission is doing their part, and the contractor is waiting to come in and fix the road. So as of today, I don't think Water Commission has signed off, because I don't see any work starting on the paving of the road. But when finished, that means you can drive from Mandela Highway, which is the main road that takes you into the city of Kingston, all the way. You'll take Mandela to Spanish Town Road, that can take you all the way to downtown. You can take Mandela to Marcus Garvey Drive, that will take you to the wharf, and you can take Mandela to Spanish Town Road to Hagley Park Road, that takes you to Halfway Tree. So you'll be driving on a highway quality roads from you enter Kingston and go to any other major destinations. So you have to say, job well done to the government. They have really worked and improved on the road, the main road infrastructure leading into the city of Kingston. And when we say government, we don't necessarily mean the one in power, but whichever government was in power when these road works were being done. Remember, to fix a road and it takes years. So one government might have started the project and another government finished it. So nothing to do with politics. It's just the government is doing an excellent job, this one and former ones, in fixing the main road network in Jamaica. And the main roads it falls under the National Works Agency, which is under the Ministry of Economic Growth. Now, before it was or in previous administrations, NWA, National Works Agency, was under the Ministry of Transport. So the NWA is the government, that's the government agency. They're doing an excellent job on these main roads. Excellent job. Secondary roads now, that's for another video. But technically, the parochial roads are not the responsibility of the NWA. They are the responsibility of the parish council, technically. But there are other main roads that could do with some renovating, but as we said, it takes time and money, and everything can be done at once. But in terms of the main road network leading into the city of Kingston and even throughout the city, the NWA and the government is doing an excellent job. Okay, on the left is a Toyota car dealership. On the right is the Red Stripe 214 Exchange. And that's the manufacturing plant for Red Stripe in Jamaica. Okay, we're going to turn around here. No, we'll go to the end of the road. Alright, on the left is the KIG. They are a car dealership for brands like Ford, Subaru. On the left is Select Brands. They're a distribution company. On the right is Excelsior Crackers. And you have a lot of large manufacturing companies on this road, a lot of distribution companies, a lot of warehouse companies, because of the location. It's centrally located to the wharf, downtown Kingston, Halfway Tree, all the busy areas, and you can get to Portmore and Spanish Town in no time from this road. So it's centrally located. Alright, straight ahead is the 3 miles overpass, and that is actually the busiest intersection in Jamaica, where you have Spanish Town Road intersecting with Hagley Park Road. That is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So the government built a double overpass, and it's the only double overpass in Jamaica. They built it at that location because it's the busiest location in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.